Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of sealed off perforation. Now, what is sealed off? Sealed off is to close tightly or barricade to prevent entry or exit. For example, we are sealing off the unused wing of the building, or the jar is tightly sealed up. Dating from the first half of the 19th century, this idiom uses seal in the sense of close securely, as one uses to do with a seal of wax. You can see the liver and the gallbladder. Gallbladder has a small stone and a fair amount of thick sludge is seen in its interior. And this is liver, and you can see this is the fluid compartment seen along the hilum of the liver. We defined seal of perforation as a colon perforation with localized abscess identified on operative computed tomography or pathological findings, with no evidence of free perforation, including fecal contamination and dirty fluid collection in the peritoneal cavity. You can see the fluid is thick and turbid, and multiple internal opacities are seen along with small adhesions. And adhesions are always found due to the thickness of the fluid, increased thickness, and multiple internal echoes in the fluid. The primary symptoms of gastrointestinal perforation are severe abdominal pain and tenderness. The abdomen may also protrude or feel hard to touch. If the hole is in a person's stomach or small intestine, the onset of pain is usually sudden. But if the hole is in the large bowel, the pain may come on gradually. Bowel perforation is an acute surgical emergency where there is a release of gastric or intestinal contents into the peritoneal space. Treatment most often involves emergency surgery to repair the hole. Sometimes a small part of intestine must be removed. One end of the intestine may be brought out through an opening stoma made in the abdominal wall. This is called colostomy or ileostomy. Now, what is sealed perforation? Perforations are the second most common complication of peptic ulcer disease. They very often occur on the interior wall of the duodenum or stomach. Posterior perforation are rare and are sometimes revealed by subphrenic abscesses. These are exceptionally sealed at the moment of abscess diagnosis. Now, symptoms of the perforated ulcer may include sudden severe pain in the belly, pain spreading to the back or shoulder, upset stomach, that is nausea or vomiting, lack of appetite, and swollen baby. However, complications of peptic ulcer disease, either bleeding or perforation, still frequently require surgical intervention. Although bleeding peptic ulcers can usually be treated with non-surgical means. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.